just going to show you a video of how the truck works. And how the boom works. So I'm not going to go inside. I'm just going to operate it from here. Upper controls. See everything in there. So I don't have anybody to hold the camera for me, so I'm just doing it right now. And then go all the way up, and now we're going to do the extend the boom. Just so you have an idea. Holy moly, that's long. Okay, we'll bring it back. It's one of the things I like about this thing. There's no emissions. I'm not dying from the diesel smell. There's no black smoke. The other older machines, boy oh boy, do they stink. Oh, that was a mistake. I haven't used the controls down here so much. I use them in the bucket. I guess if you want to give kids a ride. And then that's the control to upper control or lower control. And we just put a brand new batteries and a brand new kill switch in there. So that's how you use it. Very easy. There's tons of manuals and stuff like that on it, so it's very easy to use. I hope you enjoyed the video. And it does come with all the safety harnesses here. Let's just turn that all off now. Let's turn the PTO off. And put the emergency brake back on. The PTO's got 2,600 hours. And the mileage is still almost the same.